Thank you for joining me. This is Fly My Mavic. Back in February I did the video on this, the gimbal clamp for the Phantom 3 Pro that I've got. Also available for standard and the advanced as well, and probably for the P2 if you can find one. Great idea, stops the camera from separating if you have a heavy landing. Now people say, you know, why are you spending so much on a Phantom 3 Pro? To be honest with you, they're still getting quite a good price. I think it might be down to the 4K camera that it has. Anyway, the next thing I purchased for it was this. It's called the camera guard, and basically it's a plastic plate. This has been reinforced with a carbon fibre rod, and if you come down heavy onto rocks, it's going to stop the rocks from hitting the back. Well, it's going to stop the rocks from hitting, or at least, you know, catching the main camera mechanism. Not saying it's 100% perfect, because if it was, it would be filled across there, but then you couldn't tilt the camera down. But it does go some way, because you're coming down, you may hit the rock, you may bounce off the rock, it'll land upside down. Might damage a couple of props, but it will save the actual camera unit itself, which is quite good. Now I got this from eBay, from this chap, Mr. Play 1234, Phantom 3 Pro Advanced Standard Camera Gimbal Guard. You can select the colour from the drop down list, and it was just a price of $7.99. $7.99 to give you that extra little bit of peace of mind if you're flying your Phantom around, or you're over somewhere where if it does come down it could cause some problems for the camera unit. As I said, carbon fibre bar, it's printed out of plastic, and he sends you Velcro, but I've swapped it out for these little cable ties here. Just put them on and then just cut them off basically. There's no way that's coming off in flight, and also you can still put it into your soft case, it makes no difference at all to it. And it also has a little tracker mount here. You got the little miniature trackers, you can double-sided sticky tape that in there, at least then you'll know where your quad is, should it come down unintentionally, as we say. Anyway, that's it. Just a quick video to show you that. Thanks very much for watching. Take care, and as always, fly safely.